After surveying hundreds of business owners, one of the most common problems I hear when it comes to creating video content is that they don't know what to say. They don't know what the right words are. They don't know how to take the information and expertise they have in their head and get it out on camera. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I created a video script generator so you never have to worry about what to say or finding the perfect words. All you have to do is follow along step by step and you'll be able to create video scripts in literal seconds. So having a script can help you become more efficient and more impactful for your words because you're able to get your same message across in less words. And because I know your time is super valuable, timestamps are down below. So let's get right into this video. Now there's two main paths to go down when it comes to creating videos, right? There's people who have every word perfectly scripted out, and there's people who speak from the heart or speak from off the cuff. Now these are two very different ways of creating content. Each have their own set of benefits and cons that come alongside of it. I like to follow a bullet point list when I'm creating videos. That way I know what I want to talk about for that specific video, but I'm also not worried about reading off of a script or worried about, reading off of a teleprompter or anything like that. I can talk about what I want to talk about, get it down in a pretty concise way so I'm not just going off into too many rabbit holes or tangents, but also at the same time it's still genuine. Now that's not to say that there's any one right or wrong way. So this video right now I'm doing off the cuff, and after post-production you probably wouldn't be able to tell. Maybe you can, maybe you can't, but no one knows, right? For the most part. So if you're someone that likes to have the video scripted so you know exactly what you're talking about in each video, there's no right or wrong way to do it, so don't feel worried. This video is for you. And if you're someone that likes to be off the cuff, hopefully this helps you get more ideas for the video content that you're creating. So now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up ChatGPT. So I want you guys to follow along with me. All right, now that we have ChatGPT open, we're going to copy and paste this prompt. Now, if you've never used ChatGPT before and you want a full walkthrough, I already created an entire video on it showing you step by step how to set up your ChatGPT account so that you can follow along with all the videos that I got coming out. So this video script says, I want you to become the ultimate video script creator for my business. Insert your business name. My business is called Stop and Stare Media. You know, Mr. Stop and Stare, just don't touch the hair, right? My mission for my company is to help, empower business owners and real estate agents who struggle with social media, leverage AI to create content, generate more clients and money, right? Boom. My target audience are real estate agents and business owners. Their most common pain points are, and so as you can see, all I'm doing is I'm just filling in the blanks wherever I see brackets. Wherever I see brackets, I'm deleting what's inside and filling in with the information. So the most common pain points are not knowing what or talk about on camera. I'll insert a topic and then you will generate a video script based off the topic following the same structure as the example below. Example. And this is just a copy and paste. I'm not going to go through and read this. This is the whole script itself. But all I'm going to do now is I'm just going to hit enter and let ChatGPT work its magic. Alrighty, boom. So ChatGPT just generated the script, right? It says, here's a custom YouTube video script template tailored to your business, Stop and Stare Media. You can insert any topic you want, and this format will help guide the flow, right? So boom, hook. Ever feel like you're running out of things to talk about on camera or can't figure out what will connect with your audience? Today we're diving into AI for social media that can help you solve that exact problem using AI, right? Think about how much time you could save if you had an AI powered system that generates content ideas, drafts your posts, and even gives you ready to use scripts. This isn't just about convenience, it's about consistency, authority, and growing your audience. By the end of this video, you'll see how AI can be the content creation assistant you've always needed. Hey, it's John Mendez here from Stop and Stare Media, where we empower business owners and real estate agents to leverage AI for generating clients and revenue through social media. Today, we're diving into the topic of creating video scripts, and by the end of this video you know exactly how to generate video scripts using ChatGPT. I should have used this video script for this exact video. You guys get the picture, and all I gotta do now is say, all right, next topic is going to be about using ChatGPT to generate, let's say, using ChatGPT to generate a marketing strategy. All right, boom, and just like that, now ChatGPT comes up with the hook and the rest of the script in seconds. And so now here's the thing. Now this was geared towards YouTube, right? Now all you have to do if you want to do this for Instagram Reels or for TikToks is shorten this reel, this script to 120 words or less. So for the average person speaking at an average, speaking rate, 120 words is exactly 1 minute. So if you speak pretty fast, I tend to speak pretty fast depending on what I'm talking about and if I'm angry or not, right? I feel like the angrier I get, the faster I speak, especially because I'm Dominican, so it's like in the blood, But right, if you know you speak pretty fast, you can shorten it. You can increase it to 130, 140 words. Some people can get away with like 150 words in a minute, but like then you're kind of like speaking really, really fast, right? So 120 words is usually a good rate. If you speak fast, that'll make sure that you're way under a minute. And if you speak pretty slow or at an average rate, um, you'll be right around a minute. If you know how to shorten it, right? But boom, here's the hook. Struggling with creating a marketing strategy? What if ChatGPT could help you build one from scratch? Let's dive into how you can use AI to map out a winning plan. Imagine having a tool that builds your entire strategy from content ideas to social media posts. ChatGPT can save you time and help you reach your ideal clients faster. Right? Boom. Now, if I were doing this for a TikTok, I wouldn't even introduce myself at all. I would take out this whole portion. I would make my hook shorter. But there you have it, right? Now, if you guys want this exact prompt that I used today, all you have to do is click in the link in the description. You can get my free AI starter kit. It has this exact prompt that I use, so you can follow along, copy and paste. But now you have a tool in your back pocket. If you're ever struggling with like knowing what to talk about, if you're ever struggling finding the right words to say, this can be your foundation. This can be your building block, your starting ground. Right? You don't have to copy the script word for word, especially if you're in an industry like real estate where like local market stats matter, and like the local market regulations vary from city to city, state to state, county to county. So sometimes neighborhood to neighborhood. Sometimes it's like you are the expert. So take this all with a grain of salt, but this can help you as it gets started. It's a lot easier to keep the ball in motion once it's in motion instead of having to start from scratch. And for anyone that's wondering about the script framework that I followed, this framework is I got from a guy named Devin Jatho. He's a super successful content creator and social media manager. His business makes tons and tons of money, and I got this from him. If you check on his Instagram, all of his videos have hundreds of thousands of views, millions of views. Like it's rare to find one of his videos do underneath 100,000 views on Instagram. I don't know about the other social media channels, but that guy knows what he's talking about. But even if you didn't trust that guy, there's plenty other influencers, plenty other content creators and marketers out there that have their own unique video script framework. So if you don't like this one, you could pretty much follow what I did. All you have to do is take this first portion of the prompt up here, right? I want you to become my YouTube video script generator. From here all the way to where it says the topic following the same structure as the example below, right? So copy this first portion right here, and then underneath example, insert a framework that you'd like to use, right? So if this hook framework, a hook, big Y, intro, whatever framework, deliver value, isn't something that's appealing to you, right? Russell Brunson has a hook story offer framework, right? There's so many other different frameworks that you could use. Just copy this first portion of the prompt, and then for an example, uses an example that uses the script framework that you're looking for. So hopefully you found this video valuable. If you did, make sure to hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe for more weekly AI marketing strategies and tips and tactics that you can use to help you save more time, energy, and money in your business. And if you're struggling to consistently come up with interesting topics to talk about in your videos, click here to see how I use ChatGPT to create a year's worth of content in under 9 minutes.